Hello friends, this is Tiash from California. Hope you all are doing good. We are also doing well. During spring break, we went to Maui in Hawaii. On the second day of our vacation, we went on a beautiful cruise trip to see the sunset. Not only the sunset, the dinner was awesome too. That's why I decided to share our beautiful experience with you guys. Please be with me and watch the full video. The name of the cruise was Calypso. We were eagerly waiting to board the cruise. We entered inside the cruise and guess what? Our starter was already being served. We had a beautiful fresh Caesar salad in our starter. Delicious food with beautiful view. It's hard to believe that we were eating Caesar salad at the middle of Pacific Ocean. Did you know, guys, what happened at this moment? My mom called from India and I was blessed to share this wonderful experience with her through the video call. Technology is really blessing sometimes if we use it properly, isn't it? Because whenever I go to a wonderful place, I always miss them. This day, God was kind to make me happy. from all aspects. We had famous Mai Tai on the cruise, and then our delicious dinner platter was fish, vegetables and rice. Bengali eat fish and rice everywhere, huh? Then we went to the deck to watch the sunset. I can't express in words how beautiful it was. After that wonderful experience, we had our desserts. Me and Nilash ate our favorite cheesecake. Akash selected his favorite chocolate cake and he really enjoyed it. That was the end of our beautiful cruise trip, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this trip with us and also enjoyed the sunset. If you like it, please share and subscribe.